Good evening, people. Oh, you're muted? Sorry, force of habit. All right. Good evening, people.
Namaskar, sir. Jai Gurudev.
Sound okay or no? So what? Are we ready to go? 9:30, right? India time? Yes. Cool. So how's everybody? Good. Half people video also off. What's going on? Somebody's sending some chat messages.
Everybody can do.
People are still joining. Okay. What do you want to talk about? Just do time pass. For doing time pass also you have to talk. Otherwise we can't do time pass. Hello. What happened? Most people are on low bandwidth. What's going on? There's no video. Because if there's no video, I cannot check for chai. And if I cannot check for chai, we remove you. It's a chai and why session. At least a glass to chahiye. You need at least one glass. Run, 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 run. Issue with laptop camera. अरे तो सेल फोन से ज्वाइन कर, ऐसे थोड़ी है. इशू विद लैपटॉप कैमरा से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कुछ तो भी क्या होता है, सम रीजन. People don't think I'm serious. If you don't have cup of chai, अरे प्रतिष्ठा इतना बड़ा बाटली नहीं चाहिए, एक कप चाहिए छोटा सा.
ज्वाइनिंग
सर 9:30 पे चाय नहीं पी सकते ना.
अरे कप के अंदर कुछ भी डाल, गर्म पानी डाल, ऐसे थोड़ी चाय होना चाहिए. क्या
mom gave something to you. See,
there you go.
how supportive my family is for me to attend your session. My God.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be. You're right. 9:30 go, you cannot drink chai, but you can have a cup or some tumbler or something.
So may I start with a question if it is time to start?
It's already time to start. Yeah.
Properly.
Yeah. What's the? Okay, so there is some background noise. I know.
Mom is making chapati. Sorry.
Oh, chapati. हाँ, ठीक है. अरे चपाती, you cannot not give me chapati. If it's गरम चपाती, तूप डाल के ऐसा क्रश करके मस्त. क्या प्रतिष्ठा यार. By God.
I'll give you that when you give me Amrikhand. I am missing it since long.
हाँ चल, deal. I'll make you Shrikhand and you can give me chapati. No problem.
No, I don't like Shrikhand. I love Amrikhand. I don't like Shrikhand. Sorry.
Okay, I'll put some mango in it. How about that?
Blend.
Okay, yeah.
Sir,
What's the
question? It's not that kind of a question. It is like I pondered over it. That what so Guruji also says, and I saw you and the sir also mentioning on physics of pranayam that science and spirituality go hand in hand, and they are like complementary. One helps others to be understood in a better way, and also one is not complete without the other. My question arose, okay, earlier I was having this question that how come people who are even illiterate, in the sense that Kabir, for example, had nothing to do with science but was enlightened. So now, after some more pondering, my question has become like, I have understood spirituality better to the extent that I have knowledge of science. I am not a physics or chemistry person. I opted for biology, and even in that, I don't have in-depth knowledge, but it helps me connect better when some scientific rationale is given for my spiritual practices. Secondly, I would admit that when I saw your physics of pranayam in conversation with Mr. Birju Vaishnav, I felt a little pinch that I couldn't understand your questions properly, couldn't understand his answers at all because I don't have that knowledge of physics. Yeah, so that's a confession also. But then, so my journey or my understanding of spirituality is that limited by my understanding of physics and chemistry, or for the ones who don't have this knowledge but feel interest in exploring this path, how should they go about it? Uh, yeah, it's a genuine question. It's like I feel stuck at this.
Yeah, it's a great question. So there is no prerequisite to have formal training in, let's say physics, chemistry, engineering, whatever, to understand or even experience or be on the spiritual path. There is no connection. The connection is simply the rigor and the exactness and the precision that the training in the sciences brings with it. And if you have that same rigor, precision, and exactness, even on the spiritual part demands the same three things: rigor, precision, and exactness. If that is there on the spiritual path, take Kabir, for example. Kabir is the most rigorous, the most precise person out there. It is the insights into people's lives, or the dohas that he has said are so insightful. It only comes with great precision, great rigor, and a deep understanding of the behind the scenes workings of the way people are living their life, so-called spiritual lives. Same thing science brings. Unless you have rigor and precision and exactness, you cannot decode the mystery of what is in front of you. It is one formal training versus the other is informal training. That's all it is. The tattva, the principle behind it does not change, whether you're coming from the science side or the spiritual side. We talked about this with Birju also. Birju has a great way of saying it. He says it is called disciplined imagination. Right? Have you heard that talk on the Physics of Pranayama channel? Disciplined
At the
imagination.
end, I heard.
And it is the same. So
okay, so then if I can continue the question. So for me, it's like whenever Guruji had said things like be centered or some things like that, be calm in your nature, I could kind of feel what he's saying, but only when you mentioned some words like fictional interactions in physics of, in Patanjali Sutra, then I could totally relate to it. And then I could actually start applying. And that all that knowledge became so much simpler just by these two words that you spoke. I mean, in my daily conversations also now I'm using those two words very frequently and having awareness. But when I watched that conversation with you, sir, the question was that now I don't understand the physics he's talking about, even the words he's saying, or you were asking. How will then I decode the knowledge that you were actually discussing? Because there is knowledge I know, but I couldn't understand it. So how will I now understand it at that level?
no, it will come. It will just come. What Birju and I were talking about is Firstly, I don't even remember what Birju and I were talking about because, okay, we were just talking.
That nucleus model, and it will all got torn up apart, and uh, all the Brahma Yuga, Brahma Kala, what all was there, my goodness. And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
quantum physics, all those things. So I always heard Gurudev also saying that spirituality is what quantum physicists also agree that what you see as matter is all actually vibration. So I should understand this. Yes, there is some branch called quantum physics where the quantum physicists say like this, but only when you know, in the Patanjali Sutra, when you made us experience that, saw that, then it gives me the aha moment. Okay, this is what Guruji was saying. So till then the knowledge was somewhere dormant, or it hadn't come into that close of proximity of experience. So that's where I got stuck that okay, then अभी physics का knowledge नहीं है तो फिर gone, lost. उतना ही चलेगा.
No, no, but okay. So let's look at it this way. Even without the all the knowledge of physics, you understood the Patanjali Yoga Sutras, right? When I reinterpreted it as understandable stuff, as friction, vibration, all this stuff, it became
Yes,
personal. It
because
became, you know.
no, sir, that was because you did your best to bring it at our level of understanding. If you wouldn't have come down from your level of understanding of physics to our level, to becoming giving layman language examples, I wouldn't have understood it there also. I am not going into an argument. I'm just telling you the authentic experience and the question that, like the query in front of me.
No, don't feel shortchanged. So this is what I'm feeling, that people who don't understand maybe physics, etc., they feel कि यार मेरे को तो कोई chance ही नहीं है. It is not like that. It is not like that at all. The keenness, the sincerity of the practice, when you attended physics or pranayama, did your practices not get more sincere? Yes or no? Huh? With that sincerity, haven't you experienced some things or the settledness that you would not have experienced before the sincerity came? Yes or no? Same thing. So that sincerity now gets carried forward in everything. When you hear knowledge also, that you will listen with the same sincerity. The sincerity has been triggered inside. The importance of being sincere with the hand positions exactly correctly, or breathing out at the same speed that you're breathing in, all this stuff, it is essentially sincerity. It comes down to being sincere, having an open mind. We talked about that. Having an open mind means what? Not only question everything, but it goes hand in hand with what? Reject nothing. It goes both hand in hand. Now you know this. Now even if you don't understand, harmonic oscillator and energy states and Riemann spaces and curvature, all this nonsense gobbledygook words, who cares about that? Sincerity is what matters there. You understand? So don't shortchange yourself. Experiences will come as you are doing your, let's say, seva, you do it sincerely. Sadhana, you do sincerely. Knowledge you're reading, you read sincerely. Is when somebody is interpreting the knowledge for you from a different point of view, you attend that sincerely. At the base of everything is sincerity. Once that sincerity is there, then it's okay. You're home already. So don't be hard on yourself. You're being overly critical. Ki, yaar, ye kya hai? Even I don't understand. You think I can solve the Schrodinger equation? No chance. And life is not about being able to solve differential equations. It's being able to read the solution by somebody else and say, wait a minute, maybe these four dots, I can connect it this way. And instead of making a Z, I'll make a U or something. Yeah, it's a matter of connecting the dots slightly differently. So yeah, I would not get worried about anything. I mean, if Kabir, who cares about, we go and tell Kabir, oh, Kabir, आजा मेरे सामने बैठ. मैं तेरे को बोलता हूँ श्रोडिंजर इक्वेशन. He said, boss, I will give you 2 lines. तेरा पूरा लाइफ उसमें वो 2 लाइन में मैं समराइज कर दूंगा. That is the level of Kabir. उसमें क्या comparison है with Schrodinger versus Kabir? They both are talking the same thing. They're parallel lines going to infinity. They will meet each other there. When Kabir is there and when Schrodinger reaches, they'll say, "Arey, tu bhi aa gaya idhar, main bhi aa gaya idhar. Chalo, let's have a cup of chai." That's what they'll say at infinity. Both of them are at infinity now. It's like that.
So, sir, however we may interpret it in whichever manner, the main thing is getting experience of the thing.
Making it personal. We saw, na? Ashtavakra mein we saw. Moment you made it personal, it became, the whole story changed. Otherwise, it became a storybook. Yeah, oh, kuch to. When you made it personal, did it not change? You guys have done, right? Ashtavakra series with me also. Did it not make a difference? Then, क्या तुम लोग का बोलती बंद है? तुम लोग का, you can unmute yourself. Everybody just nodding head like this. Good. What else? अरे चेतन कोठारी का लैपटॉप अपना वीडियो चालू हो गया अभी, क्या बात है?
I came on the handset now.
हाँ फिर गुड। वरुण जी कैसे हो आप?
हाँ, जय गुरुदेव। ठीक है भैया, ऑल इज वेल।
ऑल इज वेल, गुड जॉब।
बस
अरे पानी गर्म पानी देना।
बस क्रिया करते हैं।
हाँ, जूस पीवानु, कैरम रमवानु, रानी तो पप्पानी। इट्स लाइक दैट, लाइफ इज पीसफुल, है ना?
हाँ हाँ
Jolly life.
हाँ, हाउसी खेला।
हाउसी खेला, क्या बात है।
हाँ, उसमें फुल हाउस मिलता है ना।
हाँ, फुल हाउस। अगर तकदीर है तो फुल हाउस मिलता है, नहीं तो फिर हाउसफुल ही रहता है सब।
नहीं, कभी कभी है तकदीर।
हाँ,
तो फुल हाउस भी मिलता है और कॉस्ट्यूम में भी प्राइस मिल जाता है। नवरात्रि खेला।
क्या बात।
बस एंजॉय करना भैया, और क्या।
हाँ हाँ बस।
और आपका सेशन आ गया तो जुड़ जाते हैं, जो भी समझ में आएगा सुन लेते हैं बैठ के।
या,
ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय।
थैंक यू, यस। What should we do now? You guys have no questions? Then we can just hang out. Wait, do you want to watch a video? Do you guys want to watch video? I'll show you. It's a pretty cool video, even though I made it myself. I think it's pretty cool. Hang on, wait, let me see. Kahan hai? Ah, here it is. Share settings. Arey yaar. Ruko. I have to figure this out. All this stuff I don't understand. ये दिख रहा है? Wait. मस्त है ना?
Nice, super.
But wait, did you get the subtlety, the nuance behind the video? There is a highly subtle thing that is happening in the video. Did you notice that? No? What is the music? What is the music of the video?
Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari.
Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari.
Jai Jai Radha Raman is a song that ends the satsang, right?
Yes.
And physics of pranayama starts when the happiness program ends. You understand that? Only when the happiness program ends does the physics of pranayama start. So the brief history of physics of pranayama had to have the ending song as the background. Otherwise it doesn't work.
Wow.
है कि नहीं? धांसू आइडिया है कि नहीं? Even though I say it myself.
Yes, sir.
बोल नहीं रहे हो फिर मेरे को ही बोलना पड़ेगा. It's like that.
वो कोई बोल नहीं रहे तो फिर
Okay. Today is the day, 23rd of November. Today is the day the idea came for the physics of pranayama in 2015, 23rd November 2015. 5 years ago. It's been a long journey, no? Now it's on Udemy. Have you watched it on Udemy, you guys?
Yes.
Yeah, we're translating it in many languages now. It'll happen. So we have this thing, kya bolte hain? Black Friday sale going on. Have you heard about that? The pricing on Udemy, INR499. So maybe somebody can type the thing. It is tiny.cc/Black Friday-POP. So that will take you directly to. So if you want to gift it to your friends, it's a discounted price. It's more than 50% off right now. Okay. So here I'll type it in the chat message. Hopefully I can type. There you go. Now you have it. Good. Anything else? Any question? No question is the best thing.
Yeah.
Huh.
I think the POP idea came after the people were not believing in happiness program. Is it that or science?
नहीं, not believing नहीं है.
Like not convinced by the scientific minds.
नहीं, वो convince का बात नहीं है. It's always the curiosity is there, no? That how does it all work like that?
Oh,
So
that's what.
somebody asked. I was sitting on a course. I was teaching. Somebody asked, "How does it work?" And then all these words started coming out. I said, "ये क्या है?" These ideas came to. सब हो गया. And then I developed it to make it a more understandable version. The first version was all gobbledygook. Yeah, it's highly technical. I would write like partial differential equations and all that. But people say, "What the heck?" You'll go on the Dwadasha Chakra. You know, the 12th one, 12 inches above the head. सब वहां से जा रहा है. तो ऐसे थोड़ा नीचे लाना पड़ेगा. That's what happened. So over time, it came to this format. This is now easy, right? You can understand it. It's not so difficult to understand. Okay.
So on Udemy, the question answer session is a nice idea too. I mean, the questions, yeah.
Quiz, no?
Quiz that
Are you guys graduating the quiz 100% or no? Ki wahan bhi fail like Dandigul.
No. We were able to.
You cannot fool me because I can go from the backside and see all the results ki kaun kahan pe atka aadmi, hai na?
Yeah, only one, sir, that oxygen and prana, is it the same? There I was like, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's all good. Great.
So I have a question to ask.
Hmm?
Yeah, I just have a general question to ask, sir. Are we okay to do the Kriya in Guruji's voice twice a week, or we are supposed to do it only once?
Yeah, do it only once. Why do you want to do it twice a week?
I mean, the thing is that Thursdays we are having a session with, the follow-up in that it happens, and then our regular sadhana in that it happens on Friday. So, shouldn't we be doing that then? I mean, it should be done, is it once?
Once a week.
Okay. And one more general question again, sir, here. Like, supposing the kids are practicing this Kriya and they lose track of the count, like, especially when it comes to this 20, 40, 40. Either they are being lazy to do that or what, I don't know. I'm not able to figure out the exact thing, but they aren't being there. So can we record that 20, 40, 40 count for them? No. Okay.
But now there is no more 20, 40, 40. It's only now attention to the chakras, right?
No, sir, but they haven't done the AMP, no?
हाँ, if they haven't done the AMP तो थोड़े फंसे हैं लोग. ठीक है, okay, then you do the 20, 40, 40.
But we are not supposed to record it for them and give the 20, 40, 40 count.
What do you mean record it for them?
Record means in the sense, breathe in, breathe out, sir, for 20, 40, 40. Can we do that?
No.
No, we can't. Okay.
No.
So in case they lose track, they can just lie down.
No, you tell them to use the Abhyasa app. There is a ting, 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 ting that happens on the Abhyasa app. I put so much thought into it when I designed that thing. Those tings came from me only. I'm the ting guy.
Sir, but it doesn't have...
Otherwise, how do people know to change from slow, medium, fast to ting? अरे नहीं है कि नहीं अभ्यासा में ting आएगा तो change करो, ting ting आएगा तो change ting 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 कितना सोच के डाला है वो उसमें भी there is a math involved on how those things are placed and how they are spaced out in time. Use the Abhyasa app if you want.
Okay, fine.
You don't do it something on your own. कि चल sit in front of me. When I say so, you breathe in. When I say hum, you breathe out. You will completely make a...
I told them I feel I'll ask you whether we can have that 1-2 count or something like that for them.
No.
No, we can't. Okay.
The things are there. So you can use the Abhyasa app and do it like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Wasn't it pretty cool, the ting thing? है ना? In Abhyasa?
I haven't seen that.
अरे कमबख्त तूने पी ही नहीं फिर. अब Abhyasa में देख.
True, very true, sir.
Sir, मैंने भी पी ही नहीं because I don't use Abhyasa.
Don't use Abhyasa. There is no need to use Abhyasa. But if somebody says, "Oh, I want recording," we'll say, "Okay, here, take Abhyasa." It is not. You don't need to use any app. Nothing. There's no need, no. Everything is there inside of you anyway.
Sir, I am Kriya twice a week.
You do twice a week. Yeah, you are in the healthcare industry. You have to do. Yeah. There are some people who can do twice a week because they need to. You're in the front line, healthcare, high stress job, all that. You do.
Only because I felt my body is demanding that. I'm having a lot of exhaustion and headaches daily.
Yeah, your daily job is highly emotional up and down. So for you, it's needed. It's perfectly fine.
No, what about people if they have some issues like they have some shoulder pains and things like that and who have learned the Kriya?
No.
They shouldn't be practicing.
Once. You do daily practice, home practice, daily, and once a week, you do the facilitated version of the Kriya. Shoulder pain hai to kitna, are they taking a bath 25 times a day? No, right? They're having a bath only once a day, right?
No, sir. My question is, are they okay to do at least once a day?
Yeah, of course you do once a day. What do you mean? Why can't you do once a day with shoulder pain? Do the hand positions to the best you can. If your shoulder is paining, then keep it a little low.
Okay.
ऐसा थोड़ी है कि shoulder pain, unless it's excruciating pain, then you go see a doctor and they will give you some medicine or something, physiotherapy. They will do something.
Okay. Fine.
My mom had a frozen shoulder, and when she did her happiness course, no, she was doing Bhastrika only with one hand. Then slowly she started doing, and now she is fine. You can ask her; she's here only, Bhanumati ji. Mom, you can share your experience.
Yes. हाँ, जय गुरुदेव। मैं 3-3.5 साल पहले जब हैप्पीनेस प्रोग्राम में जुड़ गई, मेरी बेटी ने ही मेरे को लेके गई थी। तो सर ने पूछा, आंटी आप एक हाथ से क्यों कर रहे हो? मैंने बोला मेरे को फ्रोजन शोल्डर है। तो उसने बोला ठीक है। फिर धीरे धीरे करते करते कभी करती हूँ, कभी नहीं करती हूँ। फिर आपकी भाषा में डेली करने लगी मैं। नॉट रेगुलर, डेली आई कैन डू। तो अभी कब मेरा शुरू हुआ तो मुझे पता नहीं, याद नहीं। मेरा फ्रोजन शोल्डर मिट गया और मैं आराम से आई कैन डू माय फ्रोजन शोल्डर मिट गया और मैं रोज करती हूँ अभी। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। हाँ,
डेली डेली में मजा आता है कि नहीं? रेगुलरली में क्या?
बस आप डेली बोलते हो ना, इसलिए मैं भी अभी डेली। आज 8 महीना तो हो गया। जब लॉकडाउन है तब से तो एक दिन भी नहीं छूटा। वो गुरुदेव की कृपा है। बैठ जाती हूँ, कर लेती हूँ। चक्र सीखा तब से चक्रा की कोशिश करते हैं हम। हाँ, मेरे को स्लिप डिस्क भी है तो मैं बैठ के भी करती हूँ अभी सब कुछ। बहुत अच्छा है मेरे को। और आपका सेशन जुड़ती हूँ तो कुछ ना कुछ मुझे सीखने को मिल जाता है और बहुत इजी कर देते हो आप, बहुत हल्का बना देते हो हमको। कोई टेंशन नहीं, बैठो सांस लेते रहो, बस वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैंने आपका ये गुजराती सब टाइटल वाला भी सेशन पूरा पढ़ लिया। मुझे बहुत कुछ साइंस भी समझ में आया क्योंकि हम तो गुजराती मीडियम में पढ़े भैया। बस ओके,
तो अभी
थैंक यू सो मच।
थोड़ा करेक्शंस था वो गुजराती में, वो आज मैंने अपलोड किया यूडेमी में। आप फिर से जाके देखोगे तो थोड़ा चेंज हो गया वो टेक्स्ट। इट इज नाउ बिकम करेक्ट।
ठीक है, देख लूंगी। वैसे तो 2 बार आपका हिंदी में किया था ना, तो उतना तो इंग्लिश समझ में आया था। फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा गुजराती पढ़ लिया। फिर भी साइंस को छोड़ो ना, बैठ के जो आपने हाथ सिखा दिया ना, वही मेरे लिए बस हो गया बेटा।
हाँ, साइंस को छोड़ो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है साइंस से? साले तुम्हारे पास ही रखो
साइंस। साइंस अभी आज साइंस सीख के किधर जाऊंगी मैं?
किधर जाने का है साइंस सीख के? कुछ भी। वही तो,
बच्चे को भी पढ़ाना नहीं है अभी।
वही तो।
बच्चे हमको पढ़ाते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर, सो मच। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
Good. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and speak. No, there is no muting, nothing.
संदीप जी, हम तो ना आपका सेशन ही आपकी स्माइल देखने के लिए अटेंड करते हैं। उस स्माइल में इतनी मतलब इतनी गहराई हो जाती है, इतनी मजेदार है वो। छोटी छोटी बातों में स्माइल, अच्छा कुछ अच्छा कर लिया उसमें स्माइल, अच्छा आज कुछ नया कर लिया इसमें स्माइल। वो स्माइल की बात ही अलग है। वो चीज हम सीख रहे हैं हर चीज। अब तो मेरे पूरे समय स्माइल हम करते रहते हैं, कुछ नई चीज, अच्छा अरे ये आश्चर्य हो गया, अच्छा ये, तो वो स्माइल बदल गई। अब तो हमारी खुद की बात देखिए, मेरी स्माइल बदल गई।
Yeah.
How to smile.
Because there are so many amazing things happening around us all the time. Once you pay attention to that, then automatically the smile will come. आपको मालूम है? अरे एक सेकंड, कुछ तो बोल रहा है।
वो कल सांझे ट्रेन में थी।
This is the power of Zoom, right? बोलती बंद कर सकते हैं, टपाक से बोलती बंद। I'll tell you the most amazing thing. I mean, now all you people are more expert than me, but when I started frying puris, there is a technique there, यार। वो पूरी सिर्फ तेल में छोड़ के होता नहीं है। You have to keep on touching the top of it with your that spoon thing, and ऐसा perfectly touch करने के बाद ऐसा फूलता है जब पूरी, क्या अमेजिंग है। the oil and the puri, they talk to you, है कि नहीं? You have to find that. ऐसा ऐसे ऐसे करके इतना fulfilling है ना, to make a puri go ऐसा, आहा, lovely.
सर, मुझे भी पूरी चपाती सब पूरा फूलना चाहिए तो ही मजा आता है, वरना मजा नहीं आता.
Chapati bhi, even bhakri, you can get the bhakri also to follow if you are doing correctly with the hand. सब मस्त ऐसा light hand से अगर आप करते हो, फिर उसमें तवा पे डालो, उसपे पानी डालो एक layer थोड़ा सा ऐसा, then you let the pani dry, then you take the bhakri and put it on the gas and it goes boom. Aha, it's amazing concept of making the bhakri go like that.
सर
आपको सब कुछ आता है सर, वहाँ यूएस रह के सब कुछ बनाते हो, खाते हो, सीखते हो, अच्छा है.
भानुपति जी, आप मेरा वाइफ को बोलना है कि मेरे को सब कुछ आता है, ठीक है? यू प्लीज टेल माय वाइफ, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू हर आई एम अ यूजलेस फेलो, मेरे को कुछ आता ही नहीं है ना?
Come on, sir. Not practically possible, sir. You're kidding.
नो नो,
उसको बिठा देना अभी सुनने के लिए.
I know.
व्हाट्सएप पर दिखा देना.
नो चांस.
Probably she's a senior teacher, no? That is why.
She is senior teacher
She has
and
to keep that bar high.
yeah, she is senior teacher.
Sir, 5 years ago to cognize physics of pranayama. Maybe today on the same day you can cognize physics of cooking also, and that will also have a good fan following.
I wrote so many articles on Medium are on cooking only. The engineer's guide to recipe, making pizza, making chai, वो सब recipes मेरा सब insights में डाल दिया वहाँ पे, आप जाके पढ़ लो.
सर Udemy पे कुछ करना है ना?
Udemy में क्या करूँ? चाय बनाने का? अच्छा हाँ, we can do that. First boil, how to boil water, है ना? पहला first lesson. उसके बाद more stuff. हाँ.
Even in Medium, you have expressed about that fallen tree in your yard. That's a wonderful thing. You could see with the photographs and with your words, the way the life has come back.
हाँ, it's fully functional. वो tree पे, you cannot see now, but it had fallen. We put it up. We did put the roots back down, and after every Sandhya session, or jo ashes hai, we put those ashes on the roots of the tree. I made some supports. Now it's fully functional. It's growing. A little bit teda, lekin it will be seedha uske baad. That's it.
And also your words, like, see, when you could see a life that you could not leave it like there. I mean, you took all the help.
It is not my thing. It is Madhuri who said that we have to save the tree. Yes. I was willing to cut it. I'm a useless fellow. I will say, okay, cut it. Finished. Madhuri said, no. We have to. I said, Jamila. Then when those guys came to cut, I said, boss, only cut the branches. Don't cut the main thing because I want to. They said, no, this is dead. I said, boss, my wife hai na, she told me ki kaatna mat. So abhi I'm telling you, don't cut. Otherwise, done. So then they didn't cut. Then we put it up and then I put the ropes and all that. Now it's growing. So I'm telling you, the senior teacher is always correct.
And that's wonderful. After cutting the branches, when the new sprouts, like new leaves have started coming, that picture in the Medium is excellent.
Yeah.
Also, is there any chance of you teaching us this karma demystified? Because there have been more questions on karma in Patanjali Yoga Sutra.
Karma. Karma is nothing. What is there? It's so simple. Okay, chalo, we'll do a session on karma.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Okay, good.
And on grace also.
Huh?
On grace also.
It goes hand in hand only. Karma and grace go hand in hand. You cannot talk of one without the other.
Yeah. When are we going to have a session with Madhuri ji regarding the things we spoke about?
Ayurvedic session, sir. Ayurvedic session.
Ask her directly. Don't ask me all these questions. Ask her directly.
Because from you it has come. You suggested that.
I don't suggest anything. First she said, I will do. Then only I said. I don't suggest anything. पागल है क्या? I will get.
Sir, but we want to do that Ayurveda session, sir.
हाँ, तो do it, no? It's coming. She's going to talk on AOL Sattva Talk. So there'll be 2 sessions on that channel. Contact Pooja. Pooja knows all this stuff. She will arrange with Abhishek and it will happen. Okay.
Yeah, Pooja ji, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Good. Done?
Sir, which movie are we watching next, sir, after Matrix?
चुपके चुपके.
हिंदी पे आ गए सर.
हाँ, चुपके चुपके. नहीं तो शोले. There are so many great movies to watch. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती? क्या डायलॉग? ओके.
एलेक्सा से पूछते हैं ना, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है एलेक्सा? बोलता है शोले का डायलॉग मत मारो. बच्चे लोग मस्ती करते हैं.
शोले का डायलॉग मत मारो.
शोले का. मैं बसंती नहीं हूँ. मजा आता है, मजा है, बस फन करना दिन भर और क्या. चुपके चुपके भी बहुत बढ़िया, माय फेवरेट मूवी. हाँ, धर्मेंद्र, उसका भी काम अच्छा है. एक्चुअली मैं और अर्चना भी अमिताभ के फैन है, तो धीरे धीरे आपके फैन हो गए अभी.
क्या बात?
क्या आप अमिताभ के फैन हो? हिंदी फिल्मी डायलॉग है तो फिर वो तो हमारा शौक हो गया ना.
वैसे तो उससे पूरा गाना बनाया ना उसमें. कौन सा मूवी? गोलमाल में. सपने में देखा सपना. ये जो है ना अमिताभ अपना मार्केट में आउट हुआ, लोगों को डाउट हुआ, मेरी वजह से वो गया, है ना. किस्मत जो बदली, क्या कहूँ, रियली मैं अमिताभ हो गया. क्या
अर्चना छोटी थी, ABCD सीखने का, तो A फॉर एप्पल तो बोलते A फॉर अमिताभ.
So now S for Sandeep.
Wow.
सर माधुरी के बहाने हंस लेते तो हम भी हंस लेते उनके साथ.
हंसो, सब लोग हंसो.
बस वही बस.
Good. Okay, people. If there's no more questions, then it's anyway late for you guys, right? कितना बजा? 10:15. Cool. Done? Anything else you want to talk about?
One question might be a very silly question, but that's actually
yes, it's a silly question. It's a silly question. Just stop it. Don't ask. अभी तुम बैटिंग ही करने जाओगे ऐसे बैकफुट पे, तो कैसे खेलोगे क्रिकेट? You ask a question, whether it's silly or not, who cares? Just ask it.
Right. All right. So in Sudarshan Chakra Kriya, it's the awareness supposed to go to the bottom of the spine. In one talk, Guruji says the point is exactly below the spine, the Muladhara, the down chakra, and then to the top. So while doing that, are we supposed to go down there and then up?
Effortlessly, your attention goes to the base of the spine. That's all.
Right.
The key word is what?
Effortlessly.
हाँ, बस हो गया, खत्म बात. The key word is not base of the spine. The key word is effortlessly. Just intention that my awareness is at the base of the spine. That's enough. You don't have to visualize the base of the spine. You don't have to feel it. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Effortlessly, my attention is at the top of the head. That's it.
But during the kriya, like with me, it happens multiple changes, like long circle, medium, and the small. It doesn't stay for a long. Sometimes it stays like a 1 2 1 2, and
Yeah.
so every time, do we have to like just put an attention, or it's okay? Let the breathe. For 1 2 times we did like, okay, attention is going up, Sahasrara Chakra, then coming down Muladhara, and then in between Vishuddhi and like throat and Nabhi. So, but it's sometimes it's changed very frequently.
Yeah.
So do we have to put an attention every time, or like sometimes if we miss out, it's okay. Like you just breathing.
If it drops effortlessly, if it drops and the breathing takes over, let it take over. You don't have to force the attention. It has become so easy now. You guys all want to do only complicated things. यार थोड़ा difficult करो तुम, है ना? मेरे को बोलो कि every second of every chakra I have to look at the point and visualize the color. Then you will feel कि कुछ तो किया life में. ऐसा नहीं है. Take it easy. Just effortlessly attention करो, खत्म.
Even sometimes attention छूट जाता है, like doesn't go to the particular chakra. Suddenly we realize नहीं जा रहा है. Then it starts again.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, perfectly fine. What will you do? If I say if it's not okay, what will you do? Your life will become miserable. So it's okay.
Yes. We have to have complete attention at that time then. Without even waiting a second.
It's okay यार. He has made it so easy. उसमें भी तुम लोग बोल रहे हो यार थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट करो. अच्छा चल डिफिकल्ट. ये देख प्रतिष्ठा ने कितना ऐसा स्टाइल में देखा कैसे कप रखा है कि सबको दिखना चाहिए वो कप है मेरे पास. Too good यार प्रतिष्ठा. Like तेरी तो बात ही कुछ और है यार. अभी निकाल दिया उसने देखा. She got self-conscious. बेचारी क्या यार. रख दे. It was looking good. Keep it in the ऐसा. हाँ there you go. अरे चाय खत्म हो गया. अभी what to do? Done? कुछ है क्वेश्चन कि नहीं? या तो हम लोग ऐसे ही बात कर सकते हैं. You guys take care, okay? Don't be casual with the COVID thing. है ना? It's not over till it's over. मास्क पहन रहे हो कि नहीं बाहर जाते टाइम? Are you doing social distancing? है ना? Especially when you're going grocery shopping and all, be very careful. Wear your mask. It's going to get worse before.
बाहर जाते ही नहीं सर. 7-8 महीने से घर में ही बैठे हैं. Don't go out, go in. अर्चना ने बता दिया don't go out, go in. Go in कर रहे अभी आपके साथ.
हाँ, best is कि
वही sentence correct है.
Right. If you can not go out, that's the best. But sometimes you have to go out for the job or for grocery shopping or something like that. Be careful. That's all.
Sir, regarding COVID, because I dealt with it as a trainer also, the common problem in India that's happening is media has publicized the two measures so overly, like wearing a mask and social distancing, that other 4 measures have gone to the rear side of the attempt. Yeah. So all 6 measures have to be followed. I mean, if this can be.
Yeah. Wash hands, all that. keep distance.
Sanitize the object. Quarantine as well as reverse quarantine. SMS and QRC. This is the abbreviation to remember.
Yeah.
And also most of the efforts that have been made to bring awareness are made from the city perspective. The urban perspective, not much has been done for the rural thing. So I'm just offering that if anybody needs help with the rural training material, I'm all there to share it with anyone if that helps someone to protect from COVID.
Yeah. That's great. Yeah. And don't rely on this whole thing called herd, okay? Herd immunity and all. It's best not to rely on that. You take precautions for yourself. Okay.
Sir, but now they're saying that the vaccine is coming now, sir. Pfizer is.
जब आएगा तब देखेंगे. Let's see.
Controlled trial is over, but it takes a long time to be out in the community for general public. It won't come like before 1 year or so.
Yeah, it's a slow process. Yep. Physical distancing. Achha. Yeah, use physical distancing. Social, physical. Physical distancing is a little bit tricky to do in the home, but social distancing can be done. All right. Done?
Bhaiya, we are going to have this Instagram fan club or what?
Pata nahi. I don't know.
Yeah. Yes. So on this Cognition Day, we're going to have this Instagram fan club.
हाँ,
Fan
वहाँ पे
account.
जाके
Yeah.
subscribe करो. कुछ होगा नहीं वहाँ पे content, but at least you will be subscribed to it. So it's a good thing. Yeah. Okay, cool. People, done? Ta-da.
We feel so happy when we get a bonus session like this from you.
No, this is not
this
bonus. Why was this
Total
bonus?
by surprise. We didn't expect a session
Surprise
today.
was. Yes.
Yeah.
Totally unexpected.
Yeah, it was like, and it came 2015, so we were wondering, what, are we reading the right message for a moment? Then we realized it was the day. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, today is the day. I had forgotten. Pooja only had to remind me, oh, bhaiya, today is the day the idea came. I said, huh? Then I went to the Medium article to see the date because मेरे को खुद को याद नहीं है. Then I said, अरे यार, ये तो अच्छा है. Let's do a impromptu like chai and wine thing. But you guys are so amazing, yaar. It's at 9:30 at night also. You are like, you come on the sessions for the discussion of the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Amazingly committed gang hai ye.
Our guru is so amazing.
अरे गुरु नहीं, एक ही गुरु है. वो बैंगलोर में बैठा है, white shawl, black ऐसा दाढ़ी.
Sir, he is sitting there. We cannot contact him. We cannot speak to him. We are getting in touch with you only. We cannot talk to Guruji. So for me, so it's like totally Guruji se nahi baat hoti, sir se baat hoti hai. That's it.
ठीक. आयुर्वेदा, अबे आयुर्वेदा कितने बार पूछेगा आयुर्वेदा? वो माधुरी से पूछ. I don't know anything about Ayurveda. Ask Madhuri. She's going to do a session with Abhishek on the AOL Sattva Talks channel. It will come. You guys all send WhatsApp to Abhishek ki, when are you going to do session on Ayurveda like this? Then he will wake up and he'll say, Are. Then he will make the phone call. I connected them. I gave one contact here, one contact there. I did my job. मैंने बोला ये चंद्र, ये सूर्य, ये जयद्रथ, अभी भिड़ लो तुम लोग, ठीक है? I am out of the picture. It's like now you tell, you can call Pooja also, say what is this? You're not facilitating. You make other people work. Why are you making me work? Every time you're making me only work. Why you do this, do this? अरे I'm not going to do anything. हटो. No, अभी नहीं करता हूँ. जा, क्या कर लेगा? उखाड़ ले जो उखाड़ ले टाइप.
No, our backstop will not tell that.
अरे what backstop? I'm not even backstop. It's told. Now what? I resigned from my job as backstop. Done. Now
We don't agree with that.
that's your problem, isn't it? It's not menu key. No. It will happen, यार. अभी आज ही तो idea आया है. Abhishek contacted her today itself. It will happen in 4 or 5 days. It might happen. ठीक है? Okay. Done? Okay, people. At our level, we can say, what can we say? Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, bhaiya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for this surprise and lovely session.
Many congratulations to you and to us also for this day.
Yeah. Now it's for us also.
Yeah, it's everybody. Yes.
We are blessed to have it. Physics of pranayama. The journey started from there only. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Ashtavakra people, we are meeting on Friday, right?
Yes, sir.
For refresh.
Yes.
Refresher. Okay.
Not refresher. क्या बोलते हैं? Reunion.
Okay.
Ashtavakra 1 and 2, both like 1 to 5 and 5 to 10. It all come together. Alrighty, people.
Okay.
Shabba khair.
Namaskar.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरुदेव
Jai Gurudev, bhaiya.
Yes. Reconnect. Correct. Good girl always uses the right words. Ashtavakra Gita, reconnect. ठीक है, चलो. All right, people. Ta-da.